In this video, I'll be showing you the best camera settings to play unlocked in League of Legends. These settings will let you spot ganks early, track the enemy jungler, and stop dying because your champion was stuck in the middle of the screen. Start by loading into the practice tool so you can change everything safely. Wait for it to load, then press the escape key to open the options menu. And if escape doesn't open, click the gear icon next to the minimap in the bottom right. Head over to the left side and click the hotkeys tab. Then camera control. Now find center camera on champion and bind it to the spacebar. This is the setting that makes unlocked camera work, so don't skip it. Next, find toggle camera lock, which is Y by default, and either leave it as a backup or clear it to fully commit. Now save and go to the left side and click the camera tab. All of the camera options live here and not under the game tab. At the bottom, for camera lock mode, set it to per side offset. If you'd rather the view drift a little while it's centered, pick semi-lock instead. Now right above that, make sure Enable Smooth Camera is unchecked. Smoothing adds a floaty delay when you pan. If you get motion sickness from fast movement, you can turn it on to soften things. Then head to the sliders in the middle and set camera move speed on mouse to somewhere around 40 to 55. I'll just be leaving mine on the default 50, but set it to whatever feels comfortable since there's no perfect number and copying a pro won't match your hand. Leave the keyboard speed slider at default. Once done, go to the bottom right and click Save, or your changes will revert. Now jump back into the practice tool and test it. Hold the spacebar to snap the camera to your champion, and release it to look freely around the map. Hold it the whole time you want to stay centered, because letting go early will drop you back into free cam in the middle of a fight. One thing to know, your settings save your account when you hit save, so if you switch your PC or your mouse later, you'll need to tune the speed again. Also, to center the camera while you're dead, you can press F1, and to check on other teammates, you can use F2 through F5 to look at your other teammates' views. You now know how to set up and play with an unlocked camera. Please leave a like and comment if you found the video helpful.